Given the graph of f, which of the following describes the function of f? So it's given me all of this left-handed and right-handed notation stuff, and stuff either happens at -4 or just -4. So let's see what happens as the limit approaches -4 from the left side and the right side. Here's -4, okay? So the limit as x approaches -4 from the left of this function called f of x means I'm going to go all the way to the left. And from the left, I'm going to go to -4. And as I hit -4, I shoot up here, which means the limit as x approaches -4 from the left of f of x is going to be positive infinity because I go up here. Now the limit as x approaches -4 coming from the right means all this stuff that happens over here, who cares? But I'm going to pick up here. I'm coming from the right. I'm heading towards -4. And as I start approaching -4, I go down here, which means the limit as x approaches -4 from the right side of f of x is going to be negative infinity. So I need the one where from the left you go to positive infinity and from the right you go to negative infinity. So not you and you, right? From the left you go to positive infinity and from the right you go to negative infinity. So B is going to be my guy. And by the way, if you're wondering, well, what about something like E? Don't worry about it. It's not real. It's not true either. Hope this helps.